morning everyone, I'm Jane Aurelia. Today we're going to discuss all about cellular respiration. So what is cellular respiration? Let us know in our topic. Cellular respiration. Cellular respiration is a fundamental biological process that occurs in the cells of all living organisms. It is a process by which organisms convert chemical energy stored in food molecules into a usable form of energy called adenosine triphosphate or ATP. This energy is then used to power various cellular processes including growth, movement, and maintenance. Cellular respiration is a process that occurs in the cells of organisms to convert chemical energy from food into a form that cell can use, called adenosine triphosphate. It's like the cell power plant providing the energy needed for its all activities. We have three stages of cellular respiration. We have glycolysis, the citric acid cycle, and the oxidative phosphorylation. Start to glycolysis. Glycolysis, this initial stage takes place in the cytoplasm of the cell. It involves the breakdown of glucose, a 6-carbon sugar, into 2 molecules of pyruvate, a 3-carbon compound. During glycolysis, a small amount of ATP is produced along with 2 molecules of NADH, a high-energy electron carrier. It's citric acid cycle. Citric acid cycle. This stage occurs in mitochondria, specifically in the mitochondrial matrix. Pyruvate, the product of glycolysis, is further broken down into carbon dioxide. This process generates more ATP as well as NADH and FADH2, additional electron carrier. Last is oxidative phosphorylation. This final stage also occurs in the mitochondria, specifically within the inner mitochondrial membrane. The electron carriers NADH and FADH2 donate their high-energy electrons to a series of protein complex embedded in the membrane, known as the electron transport chain. As electrons move through the chain, energy is released and used to pump photons across the membrane, creating a Poisson gradient. This gradient is then used by ATP synthase and methane embedded in the membrane to get the ATP from ADP. In inorganic phosphate, oxygen acts as the final electron acceptor in the chain, combining with electrons and protons to form a water. We also have aerobic versus anaerobic respiration. Cellular respiration can occur in the presence or absence of oxygen. Aerobic respiration. This type of respiration requires oxygen as the final electron acceptor in the electron transport chain. It is the most efficient form of respiration, yielding a significantly higher amount of ATP per glucose molecule than anaerobic respiration. Respiration. This type of respiration does not require oxygen. Instead of inorganic molecules such as sulfate or nitrate are used as the final electron acceptor. Anaerobic respiration is less efficient than aerobic respiration, producing a small amount of ATP. That's all. Thank you for listening.